Hey, my name is Michael, and in this video I'm going to teach you some macOS keyboard shortcuts that I use pretty frequently because they save me a lot of time. So the first one is to open up Spotlight, and that is with Command Space. And from here, I might open up an application by typing it in and then letting it autocomplete and then pressing Enter to open it up. But another cool thing that Spotlight can do is math. So it does basic math as well as more complex math operations like square root and even trigonometry. And Spotlight can also do unit conversions. So it works with distance, weight, time, volume, and it even works with currencies. So Spotlight can do a lot of cool things. The next keyboard shortcut is force quit. So let's say you have an application and it's frozen and you can't X out of it. From there you would want to use cmd+opt+escape, and that's going to open up this window where you just select the application you want to close and then force quit it. The next keyboard shortcut is for taking a screenshot. So let's say you want to take a screenshot of the entire screen. You would just use the keyboard shortcut Command-Shift-3, and that's going to show preview in the corner where you can then edit it if you want, or you can just X out and it's going to show up on your desktop. If you just want to take a screenshot of a specific area on your screen, you can use Command-Shift-4, and from there you can click and drag the area you want to screenshot. You can also press down and hold the spacebar to move around the area without resizing it. And then once you have the selected area, you just let go and it takes a screenshot. Another cool thing you can do with Command-Shift-4 is if you run that shortcut again, you can press spacebar, and that will let you take a screenshot of a specific application window. So if I want to take a screenshot of just preview, I can just press spacebar and then click on it. And then here is your screenshot of just that application. The next keyboard shortcut is for opening up Finder. And for that, you would use Option Command Space, and there's your Finder. And from here, usually I'll just look for a file in my computer's file system, so I use it pretty frequently. The next keyboard shortcut is for making your computer go to sleep. So I have a laptop right now, and instead of closing my laptop's lid to make it go to sleep, I would just use the shortcut Command Option and then Power. And I'm not going to do it right now, otherwise it's going to stop recording. But yeah, just a side note, the power button is either the power button or eject, or maybe even something else. It's just the top right button on most Mac keyboards. So again, to make your laptop go to sleep, you would just use Command Option Power or eject or whatever. And so yeah. And the last keyboard shortcuts I want to go over is for emulating these gestures. So my laptop has a trackpad, so I can use a 4 or 3 finger swipe up and down to go in this mode, and then use a 4 finger or 3 finger horizontal swipe to swipe between my different desktops. But let's say you don't have a trackpad. You can still emulate those gestures with the shortcuts Control and then arrow keys. So here this is Control up, down, and then now I'm cycling through each desktop with the left and right arrow keys while holding down the Control button. So yeah, I think those are the main macOS specific keyboard shortcuts that I use. I'll leave them in the description just so you can look at them, I guess. But yeah, thanks for watching.